This is for all the hardworking dads out there who love their kids more than anything. We're not perfect. We stumble, we fall short. Sometimes we mess it all up. But the love we carry, it's constant. To the fathers still walking this road, and to the ones who've left it behind. You may be gone, but you're never forgotten. This one's for you. I've raised my voice more times than I should. Tried to fix life when I barely understood. I missed the mark, I've slammed a few doors, but I'd give my last breath to give you more. The bills pile up, the time lips away, but I show up tired at the end of the day. No cape, no crown, just a flannel and grit, trying to teach you love in the way that I live. Even when I get it wrong, my love for you is loud and strong. It's in the silence, the early alarms, the callous hands, the open arms. I may not always say it right in a song, but I'm with you forever, even when I get it wrong. I showed up to games with grease on my hands, packed school lunches the best I can, held you through fevers, through breakups and storms, taught you to fight and how to be warm. I can't promise perfection, you'll see my flaws, but I'll catch you each time when the world makes you fall. I'll be your anchor, your laugh, your guide, and a safe place you run to when it's dark outside. Even when I get it wrong, my love for you's been there all along. It's in the miles, sleepless nights, quiet prayers, the wrongs made right. I may miss the words, but I live it strong. I love you forever, even when I get it wrong. And to the dads who are gone but never far, we carry your strength and who we are. You held us up through the hardest days and shaped our lives in quiet ways. You showed us grace, you showed us grit, you stood tall when life wouldn't quit. We miss your voice, your laugh, your song, but you're still with us, even when you're gone, even when we get it wrong. You taught us how to still be strong. In every lesson, in every tear, your love still echoes year to year. We may stand alone, but not for long, 'cause your love lives on, even when you're gone, even when we get it wrong.